With Cole Baron and the maestro, Monching Mystica. Monching, kumusta na?
Ito, I'm still okay.
Ayos ha? You're okay ha?
Yeah.
Okay, kailangan yung English mo ayos ha? Para maintindihan ka.
Yes.
Okay, first lesson. Tapos na tayo last week.
Yeah.
Ito, second week na to.
Okay.
Okay, Monching. Ano na natutunan ng aking anak na si Cole?
Ito, ang naituro ko sa kanya, pinapakita ko itong tira nito na 3 reel. 1, 2, 3, and then preparation here.
Okay.
This shot is a spin 430.
Ibig mo sabihin na 3 rails ang patama.
Yes.
Okay, let's see. Okay, Cole, are you ready? 1, 2, 3,
4.
and 4 rails.
Yes.
Oh. So tama ba yung ginawa niya? Correct? Is it correct?
No, it's because it's kissed the ball, But one more.
Oh, one more. Take two.
Take 2.
Okay, Cole, you need to do 3 rails according to your maestro, Monching Mystica.
430 with the right English.
1, 2,
See?
3.
Like that.
Is that correct, Monching?
It's not. This is not correct.
Not yet correct.
Same draw shot. Okay.
Again, Monching. He has to do a draw shot.
Yeah.
Okay, draw shot, Cole Baron. Listen to your coach.
Yeah, like that.
2, 3. Only 3.
Wow. Yeah, this is a 3 reel to 4 reel. But the best, you try again.
What's the purpose of the 3 cushion? 3 cushion, Monching. What's the purpose of that? What's the purpose?
Because this is the next ball.
Okay.
Put the ball here.
Okay, it's preparation for the next ball.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is a good preparation for the next ball.
Alright.
Like 430, like this.
Because
spin 430.
number 10 is on the other side, no?
Yeah, and
Okay.
then draw.
Draw shot. 1,
Yeah, like this.
2. This will go to the 10th ball in preparation for the
next ball.
for the corner pocket.
Yes.
Very good.
Okay.
All right. So you can make it because you're the maestro. What about your student? Can your student make it, Monching?
My student is going better,
Okay, let's see again. Let's see.
Okay, come on.
Let's see, huh? 1, 2.
This.
Oh,
it's okay.
Lack of gasoline, huh? No gasoline, huh?
More gasoline. Yeah.
Okay, more gasoline.
Yeah. See?
Does he need to put in more power, more spin?
Draw shot.
Oh, draw shot, Cole. Listen to your maestro. 1,
Yeah, like that.
2.
It's perfect.
Now it's perfect.
Yeah.
Oh,
See?
so now you can hit the ball number 10.
Yeah, you shoot to your you shot the 10 ball.
Okay.
Next ball.
Oh, Monching, what else did my boy learn from you today? 2 hours of training.
Yeah.
Oh, what else?
I teach a lot. This one. I teach him for this shot.
What kind of shot is that, Monching?
This is a top with a left English.
Left English.
Yeah, 10 o'clock. Then this is 1 reel. This is a next ball,
Okay, that's the next ball.
Yeah.
Okay. It's all cue ball control.
Yes.
Okay, let's see.
Like that. See that? That's
Very
better.
good.
Yeah,
So he can hit this ball.
Yeah. The next ball.
So that's what you call cue ball control, huh?
Yeah, come on again. One more.
Okay, one more time, Cole Baron. 9-year-old Cole Baron, the youngest billiard player in Star Paper.
Yes.
1.
No, this is
Laking gasoline.
Yeah, only.
Take two.
Take 2.
Take 2, huh?
You put the 10 o'clock.
Okay.
Come on.
No more take 3, Cole. 10 o'clock daw, 10 o'clock.
Yeah, like that.
Oh, take 3.
I only did 1.
Okay, no, you have to perfect that shot. Because in preparation for this number here, number 7, Cole,
I teach you a lot, 10 o'clock. Like that.
ball
That's
preparation.
perfect shot.
Now, there, perfect shot. Okay, now,
Because if this position, this is same shot. Okay? If you shot this one, come on. With the 10 o'clock, 1 reel, cue ball is over here. Come on, Cole.
okay, cue ball control.
Yeah.
1.
2.
There.
You see that?
So, wait a minute. Can Cole shoot that 8 ball?
Yeah, you
Because
should,
he's got good ball preparation. But
Pocketing.
can you do that, Cole? Yes! Magaling si Maestro. Very good, huh? So he's
Okay.
learning, Monching.
Yes.
Okay, one more before you go. What else did you teach my boy? One more.
Remember, I wanna teach you this shot, but now it's improvement. This is spin 730. This is the next ball.
That's the next ball.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is one reel or two reel or here, but you put 730.
730 shot, huh? One,
Okay? And two,
two rails,
and three.
and three rails.
Yeah.
Okay,
Come on,
now.
come on.
Now, wait a
Oh,
minute.
okay.
Oh, let's see. Okay, you have
Okay, yeah, you're pocketing.
you're pocketing now, or else that's useless. Yes! Very good, huh? Very good, huh? You're a good maestro, huh?
Improve the stroke, you know.
Okay, ah.
Pocketing and
So now, Cole Baron can compete in the Dragon and Tiger Cup, huh?
one more
Of
time.
Star Billiards.
Okay.
One more time. One.
Come on.
Come on. Some more gasoline.
Too close.
Okay, too close. Never mind, Cole. Let's see. Can you shoot that ball?
Yes.
Okay, let's see.
Okay.
Okay.
You shot like this.
Okay, let's see, Cole.
So.
Can you put that in? Yes! Very good. Okay, say thank you to your coach. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, that's Mr. Monching Bistica, the maestro.
Okay, see you next time.
What is your cell phone number again?
0919-558-7634.
Don't forget, the maestro of billiards, Monching Mystica.
Thank you very much.